Hello friends, welcome to UStore. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Python on Windows environment. Let's start learning Python, making it easy. A tutorial by UStore. Python. Python is a language created by the scientist named Guido van Rossum. Python is open source language, so you can use it without any cost or paid license. You can also contribute to it also. As Python is interpreted language, its program instructions are executed directly without compiling a program into machine language. The next point is Python is object oriented language, so the programming challenge was seen as how to write the logic, not how to define the data. At the last, Python is high level language, so it is very easy to write programs in Python because it uses the natural language elements to write the program. Application areas where Python is used. As Python is an open source language, it has a wide range of application areas. Some of application areas are listed over here. The first one is web and internet development applications, scientific and numeric areas, educational sector, desktop or graphical user interface based application development, and the last one is software development. Python can be used in these application areas. The next point is Python success stories. When we think about or look back to the Python success stories, it includes like software development, the softwares like game development, data mining softwares, network management softwares, or many more application areas are uh, working on the basis of on Python. When we think or consider about the arts in film industry, the industrial light and magic runs on Python. When we focus on business sector, the aviation, business information, customer relationship management system, content management system, or e-commerce systems are implemented in Python. When we focus on scientific sector or scientific field, the subjects like biology, bioinformatics, chemistry, data visualization, drug discovery, GIS and mapping are based or working on Python. And at the last, in engineering section, energy efficiency system and simulation systems are implemented in Python. The next point is 2.x and 3.x. The Python comes under two series of versions, that is 2.x and 3.x. The 2.0 version was released on 16th of October 2000 and Python 3.0 was released on 3rd of December 2008. Please friends, don't confuse between which version to use or which version to install or work on, whether 2.x or 3.x. Friends, look one thing in mind, there is nothing wrong or right. If you really want to learn Python, let's pick up any of the version and install on your system and let's start working. The difference between 2.x and 3.x is that only a syntax of the functions like print, the result of integer division. The difference is also raising exception syntax. So don't confuse between 2.x or 3.x. Let's take any of the version and let's start working. The next step is installation of Python on your system. As Python is open source language, its setup is available without any cache or without any login or sign up system. To install Python on your Windows system, just follow this link, that is http://www.python.org. When we click on this link, you will get your website, Python official website. Let's click. The browser will be opened. Yes, it is the Python official website. Move the cursor on the second menu, that is downloads. When we move your cursor on that download menu, it will pop up one window, that is it will ask for which version you want to install, 3.x or 2.x. In case of 3.x, the current version is 3.5.2, or in case of 2.x, the current version is 2.7.12. I will choose for 2.7. There is nothing behind this selecting this version. You can choose whichever you want. I will click on this Python 2.7. There is a network problem. Yes, I have already downloaded that setup, so I will go to my setup directly. Here it is. The size of this setup is 18 MB around. Just double click on that setup to install it on our system. It's normal installation procedure. When we double click on this setup, it will ask for the location where you want to install. It will take C drive as by default. Just follow the instruction, next, 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 and so on. At the end of its installation, just click finish, and the installation, when we finish the installation, there will be one window or one may install. After installation, you can get the shortcut of Python shell. Just open that shell. Here I have already pinned that Python shell in my taskbar, so I will open it. It is Python idle. To check whether it is successfully installed or not, just do any calculation. You can use it as a calculator. I will enter 5 plus 5 and press enter. Yes, the result is 10. It means I have successfully installed Python on my system. So you can choose any of the version and start working with Python. In my next video, I will show, or I will start the Python actual object oriented programming syllabus. Friends, thank you for your attention. Please don't forget to like UStore videos, subscribe for new updates, help to share the knowledge. Thank you so much, and stay tuned with UStore.